Would you like to know how to study logistics and supply chain management courses for free? Are you the someone who is looking for a career change? Or are you currently working in the logistics industry and looking to elevate your career? Are you a fresher and looking for a job in supply chain management? If you say yes to any one of the questions, then watch this video completely without skipping it. This is Ramesh K., founder and CEO of NIA Logistics and Aviation Skill Development Technology Private Limited. I am a master trainer and subject matter expert in aviation, logistics, and supply chain management with more than 35 years of industry experience. I have trained and mentored thousands of trainees across India for the last 3 decades. Through my YouTube channel, I wish to empower the present generation who are looking for a career in logistics and supply chain management to become future-ready and skilled workforce. A skilled workforce for strong, sustainable and balanced growth. AG20 Training Strategy. Are you ready to explore the free online courses in logistics and supply chain management? Let's start. In this video, I will be taking you through 7 online portals which offer free courses in logistics and supply chain management with free certificates. Number 1. MIT Open Courseware. When you log into the web page of MIT, you can search for supply chain management and it will land you to the related page. Also, in MIT, you start your course, download the course content for free and take up self-assessment. The course content can be downloaded in zip format. You can unzip it to use it in your local system. Apart from supply chain management, MIT offers various operations management courses with the engineering background. If you wish to know more about MIT free course where you can spend some time in it. Let's move on to the next one. Khan Academy. Khan Academy is an American nonprofit educational organization created in 2006 by Sal Khan. Its goal is to create a set of online tools that help educate students. The organization produces short video lessons. Its website also includes supplementary practice exercises and materials for educators. In Khan Academy, you can learn about trending topics of warehouse management data storage modules such as blockchain management. With blockchain, supply chain companies can document production updates to a single shared ledger, which provides complete data visibility and a single source of truth. Because transactions are always timestamped and up to date, companies can query a product status and location at any point in time. The next one is Allison Free Online Courses. Take Allison Free Online Supply Chain Management courses to learn about the best practices and procedures in optimizing the flow of goods and services. They have introductory supply chain management classes that can teach you how a supply chain management system encompasses the flow of goods and services leading to the end user. You can also take more advanced training courses that teach the importance and application of supply chain risk management. They also show you how modern supply chains have evolved into complex international networks and more. Let's move on to the next one. EDX Online Free Courses. From facilitating the transportation of raw materials to maintaining relationships with vendors, supply chain managers are integral to preventing bottlenecks and ensuring that the overall supply chain operates efficiently and effectively. EDX provides variety of supply chain management courses such as Supply Chain Fundamentals, Supply Chain Planning and Strategy, Sustainable Supply Chain Management, Supply Chain Analytics, Operations Management and Sustainable Supply Chain Planning, Sourcing and Procurement. To know more about the courses, you can go through the EDX portal. The next one is Google Digital Garage. Google Digital Garage is an online learning platform that provides free digital marketing courses to learners worldwide. These courses cover various aspects of digital marketing, such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, and more. Flexible online training programs designed to help people learn job-ready skills in the following high-growth, high-demand careers such as cybersecurity, data analytics, digital marketing and e-commerce, IT support, project management, and UX design. Next one is KSERA. KSERA offers supply chain courses that are designed to help prepare you for a career in logistics management, procurement, operations planning, and supply chain optimization, providing you with the skills to ensure efficient and sustainable movement of goods and services. KSERA provides free online certificate courses in supply chain management for basic level. For advanced level certificate, you have to become a paid member to access variety of courses. The last one is LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning is an American online learning platform. It provides video courses taught by industry experts in software, creative, and business skills. It is a subsidiary of LinkedIn. All the courses on LinkedIn fall into 4 categories: business, creative, technology, and certifications. You have to become a premium member in LinkedIn community to access free online courses. I hope this video has given you some basic information about free online courses in logistics and supply chain management. Do write your comments in the comments section. We will be glad to help you to elevate your career. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the like button if you like this video. Also, click the notification button to stay updated about logistics and supply chain industry. Thanks for watching.